Good morning, students. I hope you are working hard at your home nowadays. And today I am going to teach you the lesson of the book Resolution, and the title of the lesson is The Man Who Knew Too Much. Dear children, it is a very simple story, and in this lesson you will read that the narrator of the story met the main character of the story named Kulch, or his full name we can say Private Kulch, at a training center, military training center. And in this story the narrator of the story telling us that what kind of fellow he was and what kind of particular habit he had. The Private Kulch was a brilliant fellow, but he had a bad habit. He always interrupted during the lesson. He created disturbance during the lesson, during the speech provided to the trainees at the training center. And due to this particular habit of speaking too much, his fellows called him with the nickname of Professor, because his activities were like that of a professor. He always remained up to date, and he always spoke during the lesson, created disturbance. He always asked a question. He never satisfied during the class. One day it so happened that sergeant was teaching the young trainers in his class. He was telling them about the working system of rifle. The sergeant was taking the lesson of musketry. But during the lesson, Private Kulch asked questions again and again. Although the sergeant tried his best to satisfy him, but he surpassed the trainer with his questions, and he could not be satisfied by the sergeant. He was not satisfied with the answers provided by sergeant. And in this way, in the training center, he became the center of attraction of all his fellows and officers, because he was a talkative fellow. And not only he was a talkative fellow, केवल बातों में नहीं था, he had a good knowledge. But we learn from the story that we must not speak during the lesson in the class or during the speech. We must not say disturb the speech. And during the training, one day it so happened that Corporal Turnbull, an officer, came there for the training for his speech, and he was a well-disciplined fellow. He had a good knowledge of equipments, and he kept his equipments up to date and well counted. पूरे तैयार रखता था, सुसज्जित रखता था और अच्छी गिनती से रखता था. And he was such an officer that all the trainees knew him very well. He had a good personality. He always kept his kitten with him. शौकीन भी था, kitten साथ रखता था. And he started his lesson in the training center, and he was telling them, when he was telling them, that young trainers about the functions of different equipments, according to his habit, the fellow private Kulj disturbed him. He asked him questions again and again. He interrupted the speech many times, and as a result of that, Corporal Turnbull grew very angry, and he decided to take a revenge. And naturally, as many officers do so, ऐसा कर देते हैं. When they take revenge, when they want to take revenge, the officer Corporal Turnbull wanted to take revenge him, and he promoted him, and he sent the fellow Private Kulj in the cookhouse. He appointed him in charge of the cookhouse. And in this story we shall read that after sending him, after he had been sent in the kitchen and he was working there as a cook, he did not leave his habit of speaking too much. बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की आदत उसने नहीं छोड़ी. And one day the narrator went to see him. He was delivering a speech to the other cooks, and they were standing beside the walls, and he was telling them, he was instructing them that they did not know, they had little knowledge of peeling the potatoes, and they did not know the good ways of cooking. They were not good cooks, and their method of peeling the potatoes was very bad. They were only wasting the vitamins by doing so, and it was indicating He was indicating them by his speech that he had better knowledge of cooking from their fellow cooks. So dear students, in this story we have read that what kind of fellow Private Kulz was and why did his fellow trainers call him professor, and how was he behaved by Corporal Turnbull and the sergeant. Although Corporal Turnbull ordered for his promotion, but he did not hand over him a good duty. He only sent him to the cookhouse for cooking. That is not a good duty. And in this story, we come to know that Private Kulz, who had a nickname of professor, who was called professor by his friends, by his fellow trainers. Although he had a good knowledge of everything, but he had a bad habit of speaking, interrupting during the speech, and that cannot be considered a good behavior for anybody. किसी के लिए भी अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं माना जाता. तो प्रिय बच्चों, in this lesson I have told you the story of the man named Private Kulz, the man who knew too much. He was very proud of his knowledge, and he always used to say to his fellows that it was the matter of knowledge. He impressed them he tried his best to impress them by his good knowledge, but he was not an officer. And the moral of the story is that although we may have a good knowledge of any subject, but we must not interrupt, we must not disturb, we must not speak during the speech of our officers, our teachers, our lecturers. And it is a very simple story. First of all, you will read the story from your textbook, and after that you will have to answer these questions. First question is, where did the narrator first meet Private Kulz? The narrator first met Private Kulz in the training center. जगह का नाम लिखना है. Name the aircraft which Private Kulz identified. So in this story you will read the name of that particular aircraft which the Private Kulz identified, and the name of that particular aircraft was North American Harvard Trainer. The name of the aircraft was, इसका नाम ही लिखना है, North American Harvard Trainer. It is particular aircraft which the Private Kulz identified. Third है, what was the sergeant describing to the young trainees? In the story I have told you, and you will read, that the sergeant was describing to the young trainees about the function of rifle, its different parts, and such kinds of lessons are called lessons of lesson of musketry. You can say that the sergeant was delivering a speech on musketry, or he was teaching them about the function and different parts of a rifle and the bullet and its speed. What was the topic of the lecture of the Corporal Turnbull? कॉर्पोरल टर्नबल का क्या टॉपिक था, क्या किस बारे में पढ़ा रहा था? तो इन दिस लेसन we have read that Corporal Turnbull was an intelligent fellow. He had a good personality, and he was an expert in hand grenade. मिलिट्री में होता है. तो the topic of lecture of Corporal Turnbull was hand grenade. जैसे सर्जेंट का टॉपिक मस्केटरी या फंक्शन ऑफ राइफल था, इसी तरीके से कॉर्पोरल टर्नबल का टॉपिक था, ही वाज टीचिंग द यंग ट्रेनर्स अबाउट ए हैंड ग्रेनेड. डिड प्राइवेट कल्च फाइनली गेट ए प्रमोशन? नो, प्राइवेट कल्च फाइनली डिड नॉट गेट ए प्रमोशन. He was sent to cookhouse among the other cooks. कुक हाउस में भेज दिया गया उसको प्रमोशन के नाम पे. तो उसको काम तो प्रमोशन के नाम से, मतलब रियली ही डिड नॉट फाइनली गेट ए प्रमोशन. एंड देयर इन द कुक हाउस he continued his habit of speaking too much, or he continued his habit of exposing his knowledge, we can say. How did Private Culp come to be known as a professor? So he came to be known as a professor because he always tried his best to expose his knowledge, and he never satisfied during the lesson. He always asked question again and again. He acted like a professor. That is why his fellow trainers began to call him a professor. Yeah, they began to call him by the nickname of a professor. Did Private Coolidge really know too much? Yes, he really knew too much, or he really had a good knowledge of everything. But the officers did not like his etiquettes. होता भी है, हम चाहे कितना ही नॉलेज रखें, वी हैव नो राइट टू इंटरप्ट अदर्स. वी मस्ट नॉट स्पीक ड्यूरिंग द लेसन. तो द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट यस, ही रियली न्यू टू मच अबाउट एवरीथिंग. He had a good knowledge, he had a better knowledge than others. Why was Private Coolidge liked by no one? He was liked by no one due to his bad habit of interrupting others, due to his bad habit of speaking or asking questions during the speech. नॉलेज का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि हम दूसरों को डिस्टर्ब करें। आवर राइट्स हैव टू स्टॉप वेयर आवर नाइबर्स राइट्स बिगिन। वी मस्ट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, एंड वी हैव नो राइट्स टू इंटरप्ट द क्लास और द स्पीच। ये बात शालीनता की है, ये बात बहुत ही कर्टसी की है, शिष्टाचार की बात है। मैं नहीं कह रहा, शिष्टाचार कह रहा है ये बात। नेक्स्ट, वाई वाज सार्जेंट कॉर्नर्ड बाई प्राइवेट गर्ल्स? So why was sergeant cornered by private girls? So when the sergeant was delivering speech on the functions of the rifle and speed of the bullet, private girls asked him questions again and again, although he tried his best, but he was not able to answer his questions properly, and he also felt sorry for that. And during his lesson, it so happened that the private schools suppressed him with his questions. अपने प्रश्नों से उसको दबा लिया. Although he tried his best to answer his questions, but couldn't answer it properly. He could not satisfy the cult, the private cult. That is why sergeant cornered by private cult. Next, write the brief character sketch of Corporal Turnbull. So, as we have read in the story that Corporal Turnbull was a dignified fellow. He had a good personality. He had a good knowledge of everything. He always kept his equipments repaired and counted, and he had always his kitten with him. So, after reading this story, we can say that Corporal Turnbull was a rough fellow. He had a rough nature. He was rough by nature, and that is why he decided to take revenge on private schools, and on the name of promotion, he sent him in the cookhouse. It means Corporal Turnbull punished him on the name of promotion. तो प्रिय बच्चों, it is a very simple story, and I have told you the story. I have told you the answers of these questions, and I hope that you are working well in your study room. You always remain at your home, and you are preparing well for the examination. Please always hope for the best, and we must always have the belief that spring is followed by winter. Means good days are always followed by bad days. तो स्कूल लगेंगे और हमारी आपकी पढ़ाई भी अच्छी तरह से शुरू हो जाएगी, और तब तक के लिए जितने दिन नहीं लगता है, प्लीज़ यूज़ योर टाइम utilize your time fully. Thank you very much.